Multicrete CM, Single Component Cement Mixes Modifier. Multicrete CM is an advanced copolymer dispersion which is used as an admixture for cement, sand and aggregates mixes. It produces a high-strength waterproofing coating, patching mortar, screed or render. Once applied, the mortar has excellent resistance to wash out and cures rapidly to form dense impermeable matrix with high resistance to oxygen, acid gases and chloride ion. Multicrete CM is used as repair mortar for modifications of sand and cement mortars, integral waterproofing for sealing porous and absorbent substrates. It can also be used to produce gunite, primer for steel reinforcement, tile adhesive and grout, floor screeds, toppings, crack repairing. Surface preparation. The areas to be repaired must be free from all unsound materials like dust, grease, corrosions, byproducts and organic growth. All loose materials and surface latents should be removed and reinforcement cleaned to bright steel. Short blasting or grit water jetting is recommended. The prepared substrate should be thoroughly soaked with clean water until uniformly saturated without any standing water. Priming. Where the substrate exhibits high porosity, the pre-dampened surface should be primed with a thin slurry of 1 part of Multicrete CM, 1 part water and 2 part ordinary Portland cement to give a thin, emulsion consistency. Coverage 10 to 15 square meter per kg of Multicrete CM. Allow drying before continuing with application and remove any excess material lying in rough, broken or irregular surfaces. The subsequent rendering, screeds, etc. should be applied on wet basis. Mixing. Mortar and screed made with Multicrete CM should be mechanically mixed using a forced action pan mixer in a clean drum, using a drill and paddle. Put the required quantity into the mixing container and add equal volume of water. Slowly add the required amount of sand and cement, and if necessary, coarse and mix until homogeneous. Continue to mix and add the minimum of extra water required to give the desired workability. A water-cement ratio of less than 0.4 is advised. Normal mixing time depends upon the type of mixer used, 2 to 3 minutes average. Mix with caution to prevent aeration. Application. Mortar or screed should be applied in layers not exceeding 50 mm thick to ensure the removal of entrapped air. For multi-layer repairs, ensure that previous layers are well keyed and hardened but not fully cured before applying subsequent layers. Final profiling should be carried out with wooden float or steel trowel. Curing. It is important that the surface of the mortar or screed coating is protected from strong sunlight and drying vines with polythene sheets, damp hessian or similar. Alternatively, for flooring applications, a 300 to 600 micron silica sand can be cast liberally onto the surface, approximately 2 kilograms per square meter, taking care to ensure that the sand does not penetrate the full depth of the coating. This provides effective curing, whilst also providing a hard-wearing, non-slip finish. Allow a minimum of 72 hours curing of the material and ensure the moisture content of the surface is less than 20%. Benefits of Multicrete CM: excellent adhesion in dry, damp or permanently wet conditions to both concrete and steel, higher compressive and tensile strength, high abrasion resistance, low water permeability due to continued pozzolanic reactions, hence has dense matrix. Low shrinkage, non-corrosive to steel with high inherent alkalinity, allows easy application to achieve high application thickness in both vertical and horizontal situations. Spray applied mortar have low rebound losses. Application of Multicrete CM on terrace.